Hey guys, got a new Victorinox SwissFlame knife. These are fairly rare, hard to find. It has a built-in integrated butane lighter, and these were only available in Europe. They were not allowed in the US because of restrictions regarding the lighter and its safety usage. This is the SwissFlame model. There's a couple of different models. This model has the scissors, has the extra tool besides the lighter. It's got the ruby scales, plus scales, like you would expect with the ink pen. Also has the mini screwdriver for your eyeglasses, the stick pin right up underneath the corkscrew there, the tweezers and the toothpick are pretty standard for all of them. Now the lighter itself, as you can see, is built right into the middle of the unit. This thing right here, that is a window to tell how much lighter fluid is inside. The actuating part right here that the back side has a little vent for some reason, and then there's the fill tube, the fill hole, and the flame adjustment screw. The knife itself has the basic standard Swiss Army Victorinox blades and tools. Your main blade, your small blade, your can opener, and your bottle opener with a flat screwdriver. This can opener is real handy for Phillips screws. Most of you already know that, but that tip right there fits them perfectly. On the back side, you've got the corkscrew, as we showed a while ago, and the parcel hook. And this one has the scissors. So once again, that's the SwissFlame. Don't want to burn my camera. Most people have a hard time keeping the butane lighter part working because I understand the fuel needs to be a very high quality, and obviously a lot of people use cheaper fuels and it clogs them up. That's my SwissFlame Victorinox Swiss Army knife. Thanks for watching.